I'm not even hungover. I wanna call your phone, tell you what.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about quick cleaning, the cleaning that you do when you're in a hurry, when you really don't have much time, or this one is a good one, when you have guests that are coming.
Listen, I know, baby, you're bad.
The kitchen is usually my first business. I want to make sure that all the dishes are put away in the dishwasher to be washed later, or hand washed, or whatever I gotta do to make sure that the dishes are put away, and also that there is no clutter on the countertops or in the sink.
Consequence, I find myself back again, crying on your shoulder. No, it's not good for me, but I still want your body. So dumb, but it's not over. Not very good with decisions, know what's right, but I don't listen. I don't. And I complain and dismiss it, and I keep on reminiscing. I know, baby, you're bad.
So this is a quick cleaning that is just gonna get you by. So obviously you don't have time to do all the deep cleaning or even take care of the floors. So in this video you will notice I do minimal floor care because, like I said, I just want to tidy up things. I want to make sure everything is in its place. So for the kitchen, I did not take care of the floors. I just wanted to be sure that it just looked presentable.
Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Not very good with decisions. Know what's right, but I don't listen.
This is something that I usually do pretty much on all of my mornings. I want to put away everything that I had used the night before. For instance, on this day, I was putting away my nail care. I was doing my nails the night before after the kids went to bed. And then I was putting away the blankets and the phone chargers and computer chargers and whatnot. So it was pretty much just tidying up the living room. Not much to be done there.
Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business.
Lights flash in the dark. I know you're coming back, aiming at my heart. And these things never come from me easily, no. But now I think I'm ready. I think I'm ready, ready. Emotions repeating, though it's been so long. I know what you're thinking, I know. I wanna spend all our time now, for better or worse.
The dining room is another place that I really don't do much to. It's just usually just making sure that the table is wiped down, Logan's chair is clean, and he drops a lot of food, so I want to make sure that it does not have any dry food on it. And then if I do have time, I usually like to vacuum or sweep and mop the floors as well. But like I said, this is just quick cleaning.
Just close your eyes and we'll be shooting stars.
The bathroom is one place that you will find quite a bit of clutter, obviously. We're a family of 4. I'm sure there are families out there who have more people, so I can only imagine the collection on the countertops. But for us, it's usually our toothbrushes and hair care stuff and whatever else I need to put away my makeup. So I like to go ahead and clear the sink area and the countertops. As you can see, I don't really have much countertop space, so I like to keep it with the bare minimum, and then I go ahead and I pick up all the stuff that I need to put away, like that dirty towel or my necklaces and whatever else I leave on the countertop. And then after that, I do a quick wipe down. Quick wipe down. I'm not deep cleaning. You will see that I do not even touch the tub.
You know that I would. Now there's no looking back. Now there's no looking back. You got me falling fast, falling fast. I'm falling. Give it all up, give it all up, give it all up. For you, I would give it all up, give it all up, give it all up. I would give it all up, give it all up, give it all up. For you, I would give it all up, give it all up.
So in the case that I'm expecting visitors, I like to go ahead and check the garbage can to see if it needs to be emptied. As you can see, it was full, so I want to make sure that I put in a new bag. And I love these bags. I got them from Dollarama, the dollar store here in Canada. They have them in different scents. I don't really care for the scents, but I just love how it's a perfect size for my garbage can.
I was feeling down till you came around, lost under the clouds, only gray skies. I know they always say this never happens, but it happened. I know it's what they say, but it did. I know they always say this never happens, but it happened. I know it's what they say, but it did. I hope that you will stay forever. I hope that you will stay forever.
So the last thing I do for the bathroom is to usually vacuum up all the hair that I collect on there. Yes, I do shed a lot of hair, so I don't like to see it on the floor, so I go ahead and I vacuum that.
Guess you figured out what it's all about. We'll tear my walls right down, and in the ashes we'll dance around. I know they always say
The last place I take care of is our entryway. Other than the kitchen, our entryway is one of our high trafficked area. We do collect a lot of shoes on there, so I like to go ahead and put all the shoes away in the morning. Logan likes to play with the shoes, so he usually brings them all out, even though we don't wear those particular shoes, so it does collect quite a bit. So I go ahead and I put those away, and I also do a quick vacuum. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and all the quick cleaning tips that I wanted to share with you guys. If you enjoyed this video, if you enjoy these kind of videos, please let me know down in the comments so I know to make more for the future. And also, if you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. I was so happy to make this video for you guys. I took about 30 minutes and I tried to condense it to 10, so it seems so quick because it's only 10 minutes, but it did really take me about 30 minutes to do everything. So everybody's got 30 minutes on their hands during the day somehow, so you can definitely make sure that your house looks nice and presentable in case you get that one surprise visitor who's going to stop by, and you want to be sure that your house is nice and clean. Thank you guys so much for sticking around, and I hope that you got some cleaning motivation out of this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!